To create a retail product to display on your website for customers to purchase, you need to come into the back end of your website and to decorated products. And over here you can add a product, create decorated products. You first need to choose a product to begin with. Now our product categories are broken up into everyday products, which are what you would consider medium quality, well priced. And then you have premium quality and premium price, so they're a little bit nicer and a little bit more expensive. You have accessories like bags, aprons, hats, polos, and quarter zips for embroidery. So you need to start with a product and then click Save and Continue. And then from here, you can begin adding your artwork to the product. So we're going to add a design. We'll choose File. We'll search for the file we want to upload. Authenticate that we do have permission to use the design. And then from here we can place it on our product. If you upload a vector file, which would be an SVG, EPS, or PDF, you can even change the color of the design. You can also come here to Custom Color, and you can move the color around or put in an RGB value if you have one. If you want to add artwork to additional locations, simply select the other location, go to Add Design, and add another design or use a design that you've already uploaded. Once you're happy with the look of your product, simply click Save and Continue. Give the product a name. In this case, I'm going to call it the Branded Apparel Club, and then I'm going to append the blank product name, which will make it dash the name of this t-shirt. I'm going to put it in the category T-shirts. I also could create a new category if I wanted to. And I'm going to choose to not allow the user to customize. I don't want the customer to be able to make changes to the design on the product. Click Save and Continue. And then you will be able to decide what colors you want to be available with this product. So I can choose to deselect all and just choose a few colors to allow the design to be purchased in, and what color is the default. Over here I can come to Select Products, and I can choose all of the other items I want this same design to be put onto. So we make it very easy for you to take the same artwork and put it on several items all at once with just a couple clicks of a button, and then you can again designate what colors you want to be available. Hit Save and Continue. And the last step is overriding the pricing. So if you want to increase the price, you can at this step, or if you want to charge at cost for what the Branded Apparel Club charges you to print or embroider the product, you can. So you can see here, here's our default markup that we set within the price settings of $5. So it is taking the wholesale price, increasing it by 5 to create the final retail price. If we want to sell the product for more than the retail price, we can uncheck Use Default, and we can increase it from here. Hit Save. And the last step is, when we did this, all of the products went into the T-shirts category. What we need to do is come over here to Sort Categorize, and then simply drag and drop the products into the correct categories. Now, a product can be in multiple categories at once. So At the moment, we are moving them around, but they are also still remaining in the t-shirts category. So to take them out, we just need to uncheck the other categories we don't want them to be in. Most of the time, a product should only be in one category. We're going to move this, and we'll rename drinkware accessories. Save. We at the Branded Apparel Club make it that easy to create retail products to offer on your website for your customers to purchase 24/7. If you have any questions on how to create retail products for your Branded Apparel Club website, please do not hesitate reaching out to us. Thank you.